Okay, so looking over the engine stuff, there was just one other thing that I didn't quite cover that I was able to implement that I didn't have last time. That was actually the image manager and the sprite font manager. So image manager, pretty straightforward, just loading in the images, setting the texture and the size of it, as well as that. Sprite font manager, we go ahead and just load in our sprite, pull in the file path from there. When we actually pull in the sprite font, we go ahead and essentially just read in the XML data. We go through the XML data, and then for each character inside of there, we go ahead and load an image. We get the image that's loaded, load each character from the image itself, and create a new glyph from there. So those glyphs are going to be only created once, and then they'll be reused for however many times they're needed. The sprite class, we just go ahead and load a certain image from the image manager, and then we can go ahead and change its scale or its angle or position or anything like that. And then the sprite string, just a simple line of text. When we go ahead and initialize that, we pass in our font and the actual string we want to do. So essentially, for each character in that string, we will find the corresponding glyph and simply just push that from the font and push that into our list. And then when we actually render it, we'll keep updating our position and set that glyph to a position and go ahead and render it. So we don't make our own copies. We just use that one instance of the glyph for however many times we need.